Global tourism trends. What is global tourism trends? Refer to the current patterns and futures direction of the tourism industry worldwide. These trends are influenced by various factors, including economic conditions, technological advancement, or social cultural changes, and environmental concern. Strong recovery and growth. International travel. International travel involves visiting a foreign country for a temporary period, often for leisure, business, or other reasons. Domestic travel. Domestic travelers explore their own country using various modes of transport for leisure, business, or other purposes, often involving overnight stay but not always. Changing travelers' preferences. Sustainable tourism. Sustainable tourism aims to balance economic, social, and environmental impact to benefit all stakeholders involved to travel. Wellness and mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that helps focus on the present moment without judgment, improving well-being. Wellness is a positive state encompassing physical, social, and mental health. Remote work and digital nomad travel. Remote work allows employees to work outside traditional offices, often from home or remote locations. Digital nomads use technology to work remotely while traveling. Technological advancement. Digital transformation. Digital transformation involves integrating digital technology into all business areas to fundamentally change operation and customer value delivery. It requires a cultural shift towards innovation and risk-taking. Personalized travel. Personalized travel creates tailored experience based on individual preferences, interests, and budgets, often using technology to offer highly customized itineraries and recommendations. Cashless transactions. Cashless transactions involve electronic payments without physical cash. They offer convenience, security, and efficiency but require technological infrastructures and digital literacy. Emerging destination of the beaten path destinations. The beaten path destinations are less touristy places offering unique cultural experiences, stunning natural beauty, and slower pace. Cultural and historical experiences. Cultural and historical experiences allow us to connect with the past, understanding different cultures, and gain a deeper appreciation for human history. They can be gained through visiting historical sites, attending cultural festivals, learning about different cultures, traveling to different countries, and participating in cultural activities. Safety and security. Health and hygiene. Health and hygiene are interconnected, promoting overall well-being. Good hygiene practice like cleanliness prevent illness, improving quality of life, and contribute to longevity. Insurance and emergency assistance. Insurance and emergency assistance provide financial protection and support in unexpected situations, acting as a safety net for individuals and families. That's all. Thank you.